Hey guys, how are you all doing, and welcome to another vlog. Thank you for all my supporters for my first vlog, commenting, subscribing, sharing, whatever. Thank you so much, for much love, and hope I continue vlogging. Yeah, today is the travel day, Masai Mara. Guys, this is the transportation, or I should say the vehicle I'm going in. Yeah, pretty much a van. Yeah. I finally arrived at the Tipilikwani. I think I'm right with the spelling or the pronunciation. But yeah, I've arrived at the tent place where we were staying. Yeah. So we'll see what we're gonna do today. We're going to go for the game reserve and like many other things. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy with me. Alright guys, the staffs are already escorting us to our tents. Hey guys, I'm just going to my tent. I've already seen it. It's pretty nice. Let me show you guys. This is pretty much the room. Simple tent. This is the washroom. Pretty neat. It's a luxurious tent. At the end, it's not so bad. Hi guys, I'm going to the restaurant. Too tired. And maybe we're gonna have game drive today, if I'm not mistaken. Let me show you around. Here's a swimming pool right there. This is the way to the restaurant. And yeah, catch you guys later after I'm done eating. Hey guys, I'm done with the lunch. Now I'm going to my tent and maybe I'm gonna go to the game drive at 4 o'clock here. It's currently around 1 o'clock, so I have pretty much a lot of time, so I'm gonna rest and yeah, so catch you guys right now. Alright, good guys, we're starting the game drive journey. That's my mom and dad. So yeah, we're trying. I'm with the Masai here.
Sorry, my name is Ole Kupai.
Ole Kupai. His name is Ole Kupai. So he's gonna talk to you guys about some of the facts and some of the things about the game drive and stuff. So let's see.
This These are the Masai cows, and these are the normally product they have. And actually in the cows you can see that they have the marks. That is to identify from each family. And on top of that cow, you see we have a bird that we call a red-billed oxpeak that help the cow to take out the ticks. So the bird depends on the cow.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are entering the Masai Mara through Tale Gate, where we get to the Greater Mara, where we are going to see a lot of animals. And actually the Mara, the square of the Mara is 1,500 kilometers square. And actually it provides a lot of migration, where the wildebeest come from Serengeti to Tanzania to search for green pastures. Actually, and are coming and mating in the Greater Mara. So thank you very much. And the reason why we call the topi is because most of the time you find it in the top of the hill to get the best view of the animal, of the predator.
It's called topi.
Topi. Oh, okay, this is the zebra. And actually in the zebra family we have what we call a hare with a male. And actually the hare is now the male. And actually in the family, the male is the leader of a group. And actually a zebra you find with 2 to 3 a female. That is now where the family can consist of a zebra. And actually in the Mara we normally have only the plain zebras.
Yeah.
Because in Amboseli you get in Samburu you get the griff zebras, but in the Mara we only have the plain zebras. And also they do the migration. They come from Serengeti to Masai Mara. Okay, this is we call the spotted hyena. Under the Uganda gardenia tree, actually the hyena, in the survival of the hyena, actually they don't kill for themselves. They only depend or they only scavenge on dead animal, or the kill from leopard, cheetah, or lion. You find a group of hyenas that chase a kill from a lion to make for themselves. So these are the notorious scavengers, and actually they have the most strongest jaws. So that is all about the hyena. One of the most dangerous animals to the human being. And the Cape buffalo, because we call the water buffalo, actually they go, you find lonely male, those are dominant, that are chased out of the herd. Then actually they go and form a bachelor group where they'll go because they'll go and graze. When actually they get enough energy to fight to a dominant male, actually they will kick the male out of the herd. So that is, and also you can differentiate between the male buffalo and the female by the horn. You see that is a male, it have got the bars on the horn. It have got a bars on the horn. Can you see on the horn?
No, I don't. What do you mean by buzz?
B-A-S-S, bars. Actually, that's now for fighting. Yeah, the flag for fighting.
Okay.
Yeah, and for the women it does not go. And also you can see the horn for the female does not be carved. Those would help the buffalo to fight with the other one. So female don't fight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Did you understand?
Okay, guys, I'm right at the top of the thingy. Oh.
Wow.
Look at that. Oh.
And I'm standing as well.
Yo. Yo. Okay, the guy just told us to hold tight. I don't know what will happen. Let's hope for the best. Okay, okay, okay. Ay, ay, ay. Woo! We've just spotted a leopard. Follow it, follow it, follow it. Oh crap. Hey guys, I'm back. My battery had died during the game drive, and yeah. Guys, I saw a leopard, and like the bus driver, I mean the one who was showing us around, the escort person, he told us that leopard is one of the most rare animals to find, and like yeah, so pretty lucky. We didn't get to see the lion and the elephant and those big fives yet, just saw the buffalo. And yeah, today we had a 2 hours drive, pretty less. Tomorrow we're gonna have the whole full day from 7 o'clock in the morning till 4 in the afternoon. And yeah, we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna record. Tomorrow is gonna be a big day. And I also have some fun facts that I have to talk to you guys about the Masais actually. So I wrote some of the fun facts about the whole Masai Mara trip. First of all, it's 1,510 kilometers square. It was established in 1961. It's named in the honor of the Masais. The Masais are the people, and the name Mara is basically environment. There are more than 470 species of just birds in sight that are found in the game park. It is situated in where I'm staying, the Tipilikwani. It's situated in the banks of the Talek River, and it's overlooking the vast plains of the Masai Mara. Well, I was lucky enough to come to Masai Mara at this period, because it's the migration, so we're gonna have to see like lots of animals. And yeah, we're gonna go to the river tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see lots of animals there. So catch you guys on my next vlog. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and like support this channel. And yeah, thank you. Peace.